Alright, today we're going to be making doors for these cabinets. So we got my handy list here, and we're going to start cutting out parts. So we're going to start cutting these the stiles for the door. So first off, we're going to get a good fresh square edge on this board. So then all these doors, the stiles are going to be 21.5 tall. I'm going to go ahead and mark 21.5. We'll draw a line, and then we'll set up our flip stop here so we can just repeat that cut over and over. So now I'm just going to keep the board steady, move my stop block over, tighten that down. And then we'll reset. Alright, so now we can just repeat this same process as many times as we want. All 8 of these stiles batched out, so now we just got to cut the rails for all of them. So we're going to reference our list here, basically just figure out the total length or the width of each door and subtract the width of these stiles, and that'll get us the length we need to cut for the rails. Alright, so our first one is 9 7/8. So basically you got these two together, put that next to it. We're just going to mark out 9 7/8. And now if we look at that, our actual dimension's about 4 7/8. So now we recheck our measurement, 9 7/8, and it's right on. Alright, I got this router table all set up to make the groove to accept the panel. So now we're just going to go ahead and run all of our pieces. Alright, so now for the stiles, in order for the rail, the groove to not show through, I got a couple marks here. We're gonna basically plunge this in, run it through until we get to this mark, and we'll pull it out. assembled door.
Down